this video is all about some of my favorite nude and brown lipsticks. I have quite a few of them, as you guys can see, which I feel like is one of my favorite category of lipsticks to do as well, and I feel like a lot of people really like. I'm not sure if these are repetitive. I've included some of these in previous videos, but I've tried to keep it a little bit different. But yeah, if it's my favorite, what can I do? The first one I have is this one from Typsy Beauty. This one is their lipstick and lip liner in the shade Swipe Right. So this one I have only the lipstick right now. This is how it looks. It's pretty much transfer proof and it feels really nice on the lips. And now I'm going to be applying the lip liner as well, which I feel like is a little bit orange toned, but I feel it had been a deeper dusty burgundy shade. I feel it would have worked out so much better with this lipstick shade. Looks beautiful as well, and the formulation is really nice. This is how it looks like with the lip liner on. Next, I have Nykaa Madras Kaapi. I know it looks a little like whatever on my lips, but it would look really nice on someone of a much lighter skin tone. And when I am doing videos, I have to keep in mind people of lighter skin tones as well. The formulation of this again is transfer proof. And then I have Maybelline Make It Work. What a beautiful shade and formulation, super hydrating on the lips, not very long lasting, but if you want hydration and you have very dry chapped lips, you'll love this. Next up, also from Maybelline, I have Maybe It's Intense. It's not a very like nude shade for my skin tone, but if you are of a deeper skin tone, I think this would work out really well for you. It's a balance of brown and red. Like I mentioned, this is a nudes and browns recommendation from me, not just nude lipstick. And then I have Love Earth Glucose. It doesn't have a pleasant scent to it. I feel that's the case with most Love Earth lip products. And then from Staze, I have the shade called Coffee Talk. A little bit of a peachy nude shade. Maybelline Hold the Door matte lipstick. Really nice and comfortable and stays decently even after a meal. It is a little bit cool tone, just keep that in mind. It might wash you out if you don't really have a little bit of makeup on. Also from Maybelline, I have the shade called Scuse Me. Again, a very beautiful subtle nude shade. And then from Pilgrim, their O Cream lipstick in the shade Nude Armor. Ooh, nice packaging. This is again a very mellow nude shade for me. I wouldn't wear this without makeup. The formulation of this reminds me of the old creamy matte lipsticks from Maybelline. Very comfortable creamy matte formulation. And then I have Sugar Brown Buzz, which actually looks nicer with a lip liner, but I'm swatching it without a lip liner and showing you. I have the Insight Lip Crayon in the shade number 10. Such a beautiful warm brown shade. This is a matte formulation, but the sugar lipstick has moisturized my lips so much that this looks a little bit shiny. Then I have Maybelline Avenue, which is one of my favorite warm brown shades in recent times. Then I have the DM Beauty Lip Blurring Pot in the shade Ghosted. They didn't give a brush with this, so I'm using my eyeshadow brush. It's a lightweight formulation, but it's not blurring as the name suggests. But it does feel very light on the lips. It's a very beautiful warm orange tone brown shade. Then I have Makeup Revolution Gloss Stick in the shade Chocolate Ganache. From the Love Earth Soft Tea range, I have the shade Mocha Melt, which is a beautiful brown. This is not a transfer proof formulation. L'Oreal Lip Stain in the shade Worth It Medium. Not a very long lasting formulation, but very hydrating. Lakme Nude Latte. I know it's very like muted and washes me out, but for some reason I actually really like this shade on my skin tone. I just need a lip liner with it. Maybelline Vanilla Horchata. It's a beautiful lip oil and a very natural shade. Insight Barely Mine. Beautiful cool tone nude shade. It actually again gets completely transfer proof, but because I applied the Maybelline lip oil before this, it's moisturized my lips a little too much. Also from the same range, we have Jojoba. Look at this beauty. It's a transfer proof matte liquid lipstick, but it does get a little bit drying, especially towards the center of your lips. And lastly, I have the Mass Zero Velvet Tint in the shade 077 Secrets. I know not a lot of people like the formulation of these lip tints. I can understand it can be a little bit too drying, but I love it for how long lasting it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know your favorite shades and if you have any shade recommendations for me, and let me know what other videos you'd like to watch, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.